Hey, what is going on, ladies and gentlemen? My name is Nick and I'm back with another video for you guys. Today we're installing some Boost Solenoids on the N54 135i. Some of you may know I did get a 30Ff code, engine malfunction light, and I took it to the mechanic and he told me that the Boost Solenoids are toast. We're gonna replace those today. I'm gonna show you how to replace them and then we'll go give it some gas and see if that fixed the issue. Alright, so this is what we've got here. So I actually went ahead and bought these from FCP Euro. They came out about 70 bucks each, altogether about 150. Dealer sells these for about 200 a pop, bro. So expensive. Ridiculous. So the mechanic told me right away, he's like, I can replace these for you, I'm gonna order them from dealer. And I was like, I'm okay, you know, I'm gonna go ahead and order.
Let me do it myself.
Yeah.
Honestly.
I haven't even popped these open yet, but let's see what they got here. It is like OE manufacturer quality. Yeah. So yeah, they look literally the same as the ones I have on the car. So
that's crazy. Hopefully this is the problem. That's what he said, right? Yeah.
So okay. Hopefully this will solve it. Alright guys, so as soon as you open up the hood, you see the Boost Solenoids right here on the side. You actually don't need to remove absolutely anything. You just get right into it. So there's a 10 mil right up top here, and there's also a 10 mil underneath. And the 10 mil underneath, you don't have to pull it apart all the way. You just pull this one up from the top and unbolt that one slightly. It should pull right out. There's two plugs here. That's a simple click and pull. Take out. Yeah, click and pull. Cool. And then we just pull out these. I'm gonna make sure we keep those the same as they were before. So I'll do a quick video of that, and then you just go right at it. I guess they pull right off. Alright, so the bolts on the bottom here, they're still 10 mils, but they're actually counterintuitive.
You have to do it like the other way.
Yeah, you gotta reverse your tool here. Yeah, so make sure you guys keep that in mind. We'll take you a little bit of time to get in underneath there. Just be patient with it. Just unbolting it with my finger now. So
there we go. Yeah, perfect.
So it is just, they're not full tabs, they're like half tabs. Yeah. So you don't have to unbolt the bottom one all the way, just so you don't lose the nut. You just yank it right out like that. Throw these in first.
Finesse it on, yeah. Perfect, dude.
Tighten that bolt on the bottom there, that nut. Okay, there you go.
Pretty much, guys, you gotta kind of like finesse it on there and then somehow get lucky enough to like tighten it on.
Okay, that looks good. Go ahead and plug these plugs right back in. Pretty simple. There's one each.
So there's one plug each and then one vacuum line each?
Yeah. And
also, guys, make sure you plug in your vacuum lines. Don't want to forget that.
Zero boost.
Zero boost activated.
Cool. I think we're good to go.
Perfect.
It took us about 10 minutes to pull them out, 10 minutes to put them in. Pretty simple, self-explanatory install. Let's go ahead and give us some gas and see how this thing works out.
Let's do it, yeah.
It's running good, so. All right, guys, we're gonna give this some gas. Let's hope for no engine malfunction. Looking good so far. Woo! Oh, that's feeling so much better. Wow. All right. Woo! Yeah, bro, that feels awesome. Bro, that feels awesome.
That's perfect.
Wow.
That's good.
Yeah, let's go. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, that'll conclude this video. Car's running smooth, no more 30Ff. I'm super happy. We can finally get some mods on this car and get it pushing. Woo! I'm excited. Anyways, guys, that'll be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys learned how to install some Boost Solenoids on your N54, and I'll see you guys in the next video.